when you're looking to take someone from a complete stranger to a customer, there's a few things that you have to do that a lot of people I see online don't do, right? They come straight out of the gate offering, right? Hey, buy my thing. Hey, buy this. Hey, buy that. But what you have to realize is the law of reciprocity, right? Give and then ask, right? So what you want to do is you want to give value up front, but also be human about it, right? And I'm talking now advertising online specifically because people don't go online to see your ads. Like that's just the reality of it, right? So we have to come up you've seen our ads before. It's personable and I'm giving value and then there's an ask, right? So when it comes to getting someone to pay you or getting someone to give you that vote of confidence as a customer, they have to, again, because they don't know you, right? You have to provide value up front for them to build that know and like factor. And then of course your offer has to now bring it home to get that trust factor. And now they pay you that first $5, $7, $10, whatever it is, right? Or you can go with us and we have a higher ticket offer, right? But either way, you have to give that value up front.
Okay.
And that's where a lot of entrepreneurs miss the point, is because a lot of people think providing value means you will lose out on the front end.
Okay.
Because maybe a lot of people are thinking it's something free, right? You can give something low ticket that is a high value.
Okay.
Right. So for example, my class that I teach, right? It's free, but we can charge for that class. I mean, you sat on it. We give.
Excellent. Yeah.
I give the gauntlet, right? I teach you from everything from how to get someone who doesn't know you all the way to being a customer for completely free, right? We can charge for that masterclass, which we have in the past. However, when I give that for free, that's the game plan. You hop on the class, you see, oh my goodness, I got this free value. What's going to happen when I pay him? Right?
Right.
So at the end of the day, what people can also do is provide something that has high value for just a lower ticket, right? We can charge for that class and people would still register for it, right? Because you are going to get that much value out of it.
Yep.
So even the individuals who may be running ads and may think, oh, well, I don't have enough money to lose on the front end like that, offer something low ticket that has a high value.
Right.
Right. So, and on top of that, of course, say that in your ads, right? Let people know, yes, I'm charging you $7 for this thing. However, it's really it really goes for $200, $300, $400, whatever it may be, right? So the individual knows, okay, this guy's really, or this girl's really giving me value by only selling this thing for $5 to $7 when it's really worth this much. And then of course, make sure you deliver on that promise too, and make sure that they're blown away so they can buy more from you on the back end.